Hello everyone, my name is Alan Ribeiro. I'm Brazilian. I'm understanding your language, learn your language, but I'm a businessman and I'm a teacher. And now I'd like to speak about the four functions of management. And when we speak about these functions, we have planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. And these functions are very important to leading business, to leading organizations. And now I will explain to you each one of them and what it means. Come with me. Planning is establish objectives. What do you want to achieve with your planning? In first time, you have to establish what do you want with your administration. What do you want for your business? Then you establish objectives. So you have to put each thing in its place. Organizing. Organize is about resource, is about delegating. This is to achieve the objective that you have set up in your planning. When you have objectives and each thing in its place, you have to lead in people. So people need motivation. People need communication. Now you have leadership. Now you have to lead group, teams. So in the planning you establish objectives, then you put each thing in its place to achieve objectives. So you are going to leading group teams to use what you have organizing to achieve objectives. Then you have to measure. You have to perform. You have to ensure that what you have planned is okay. So here you need process. You need quality control. Then if there's something wrong, you have to reshape your planning. And now you will start all things again. Establish an object, put each thing in its place, leading people and controlling what is happening. Because this function grows feedback, and the feedback you use to reshape your planning. These are the four functions of management. Forgive my English that in this moment is not very good, but it will. Come with me and subscribe in my channel.